Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the TRiUNE Physics, aka Physics Bible. We have a question before us, past question. A net force of 15 Newton acts upon a body of mass 3 kg for 5 seconds. Calculate the change in the speed of the body. Now, the solution. If you look at it, we have our force given to us as 15 Newton, our mass given to us as 3 kg, and time is given to us in 5 seconds. These are all in SI units. Is that clear? And I term them to be the TRiUNE component of this question. Then the unknown is going to be the change in velocity. Is that clear? So from Newton's second law, we know that F, which is force, is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. But change in velocity, theta v, is equal to v minus u. Hence, we can say that F is equal to m into v minus u over t. Close your bracket. Since acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time, then we can now say that F is equal to m divided by t multiplied by change in velocity. So that change in velocity is equal to ft divided by m. So let's substitute. Change in velocity is equal to 15 multiplied by 5 over 3. Is that clear? So that change in velocity is equal to 25 meters per second. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the TRiUNE Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.